Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, the way Tirelo is full of shade. I guess Uvuyo's commentary and Uvuyo said she looks like a joke sitting there. She decided to run with it and really make it a caption and a joke. And it seems to be a thing right now. She put up this picture yesterday after the episode actually went up, and she was like, she put up this picture and she captioned it, "What a joke, my darling." And the word joke, she put it in inverted commas with a clown and a laughing emoji. And I was just like, ma'am, we get it. And then I happened to be on Twitter as well, and I came across someone's post, and then I just went through the comments and I saw it at first comments there, Tirelo Kale. I'm like, Tirelo, why are you even on Twitter? I honestly thought she doesn't read some of these comments or what people say, but apparently not. So she went to go and comment underneath this person's post, and it was still in regards to the same thing. And she said, "Lol, I mean, we cut from the same cloth, I guess," meaning that her and Uvuyogazi are cut from the same cloth with a clown face. And then people were just reposting pictures of her, and she was sharing it on a status, and most, like one person even said, "My favorite joke." So I guess they really, taking and running with this whole joke thing, finding humor in it. I mean, Vuyugazi was serious, but finding humor in it, and listen, I love it. But yeah, guys, hey, these women, that's why I said these women, I feel like Vuyugazi and Tirelo have history, guys. We even see Tirelo say, Takatindini. What did she say? Was it Takatindini or Satanandini? I was just like, next week, guys, is Uzoshuba. Uzoshuba? Tirelo said, "We are lawyer Satanandini." I was just like, Uzoshuba. I saw Uvuyogazi responded as well to, this whole drama that's going on, which I'll do a separate video on. I'm just like, listen, this time Uvuyogazi said, I'm willing to go low as well. And I'm just like, guys, hey, calm down, slow down. But anyway, no, I don't love it. To be quite honest, I don't love it, but it is what it is, and we're reporting on it. So there it is. Our favorite jokes, Uvuyagazim and Tirelo, they are both our favorite jokes, or at it, and we are here for it. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.